This is how you're going to set up your document for the 3 logos that you're going to trace or build in Illustrator. These logos are going to be black and white and grayscale only. We'll be adding color to them later. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is you're going to come into Illustrator and you're going to create a new document. So just go to File, New. You're going to change this to Print. And then I'm going to go ahead and assume, well, actually, we won't assume anything. I'm going to go ahead and make 4 artboards total. You're going to do 1 illustration per artboard, but we're going to have 1 artboard to hold the JPEG of your hand-drawn monograms. So I'm going to go ahead and do Create. So a couple quick things in here. Remember, you have the artboard tool. So if you use the artboard tool, you can click on any of these if you want to rotate them to a different layout format for portrait versus landscape. And you can use those to drag around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place, I'm going to choose options down here. I just want to check and make sure. Okay, so I'm going to hit place, and then you're going to place the JPEG. You're going to turn off the link. So make sure your options are on, turn off link, and click on place. What this will do is this will embed the image directly in your document, so it won't show up blank when you show it off to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this over here just so I can see the entire thing. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down my Option key or my Alt key. That will let me duplicate. And I'll focus on the first one that I want to draw. So the first one I'm going to do is start out here. I am going to do this one right here. So I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. Now here's the part you're going to do. You're going to start first by going to your layers and go ahead and temporarily lock that layer and make a new layer above. So this layer right here is going to be drawings, and this layer right here is going to be logo. So what I want to do is I want to go back down and I want to unlock temporarily because I forgot to do something. I'm going to select this layer, this photo, and I'm going to fade this out. So I'm going to lower the opacity down a bit because I don't need to see the entire thing. I'm going to lock it again. I'm going to go back up to my logo layer so I can trace this. So that is how you're going to set it up. You're going to want to do the same thing for this one. So I'm just going to move this one down. I'm going to pretend that that's the one that I want to draw on this one. And then I'm going to duplicate it again and decide that it's that one that I want to draw on this one. I'm going to lock them. At this point, I would save the file. And then in the next video, I'll show you how I would approach using shapes to do one of these, and then how I would approach using a font to do another part of it.